Well, this is the one we've been looking for. This is the last panel down here at Pool Corp in Naples. We've been at it since early. Started with mud at 4. About 7 o'clock now. The rest of the guys are just rolling in, getting ready to continue on with the other processes that we got to do to get ready for our erection sequence, which will be on Monday. So this is what we want them to look like, nice and clean. All of our lift inserts are exposed. We've checked them to make sure there's no issues that will delay the sequence as we set them. These last panels are stacks. Being interior panels, we don't have that much of a concern with a flat finish on them, although they're still going to look really nice. So we'll see you on a Monday when we start picking them up.